Very good morning, students. Today we are going to learn new chapter. So the chapter name is Surface Areas and Volumes. Surface Areas and Volumes. So this chapter we have learned in the previous classes already. Now we are going to learn in addition to this chapter surface areas and volumes. So firstly let us discuss about the cube. So in cube we have the formulas of lateral surface area of cube. So lateral surface area of cube is equals to 4a square. Next we have total surface area. So these all are there in the 9th class only. So total surface area of cube we have 6a square, and volume of the cube we have a cube. So these are all the formulas of the cube which we have already learned in the 9th standard. Similarly, next we have cuboid. So let us take the cuboid formulas. So lateral surface area of the cuboid we have 2h into L plus B. Total surface area of the cuboid we have 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, and we have volume of the cuboid is equals to length into breadth into height. So these are the formulas of the cuboid. Next we have cone. So cube and cuboid shapes are already known for us. Next let us see the cone. So this is the shape of the cone. So this is the radius and this is the height, this is the slant height. So this is called as slant height, and this is radius and this is the height of the cone. So we should not get confused between slant height and height. So cone, we have the formula curved surface area of the cone is equals to pi RL, and total surface area of the cone we have pi R into R plus L. So volume of the cone we have 1 by 3 pi R square H. Next let us take the cylinder. Now in cylinder we have, so already we know the shape of the cylinder, which consists of two circles on the either ends. So in cylinder this is the radius of the cylinder and this is the height of the cylinder. So curved surface area of cylinder is equals to 2 pi RH. So total surface area is equals to 2 pi R into R plus H. So volume of cylinder is equals to pi R square H. Next we have sphere. So in sphere, so this is the shape of the sphere. So in sphere we have only the radius. So we have surface area of the sphere, which is 4 pi R square, and volume of sphere we have 4 by 3 pi R cube. Next we have hemisphere. So this is the shape of the hemisphere. So curved surface area of hemisphere two pi R square. Total surface area of hemisphere 3 pi r square. So volume of hemisphere two by 3 pi r cube. These are the various formulas which we have to know. Now let us start the exercise questions directly. So exercise 13.1. First question. Two cubes are joined of volume 64 centimeter cube end to end. So we are joining these cubes end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So here two cubes we are joining. So let us suppose this is one cube. And another cube we are joining. Why? Because both are having the equal volumes. So if two cubes are joining, let us take the word solution. So length, so volume of the cube is 64. So a cube is equals to 64, a is equals to 4. It means that each side of the cube is 4 centimeters. Now, if we are joining two cubes, it is forming a cuboid. Now we get a cuboid where length is 8 centimeters. Why? Because 4 plus 4 8. Breadth is 4, height is 4. Now we want the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So surface area is equals to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. That is 2 into length into breadth. So 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8. So 2 into 32 plus 16 plus 32. 64 plus 16. So 80 into 2 is 160. So overall it is 160 centimeter square. Next, let us take the another question. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck on either ends. So the length of the entire capsule is 14 mm and diameter of the capsule is 5. Capsule 5. Find the surface area. So there is a capsule like this, which is having hemispheres on both ends. So overall from here to it is 14, and here it is 2.5, and here it is 2.5. So totally 5. So this will be 9. So surface area we need to find. Let us start doing the word solution for this. So now to find the surface area, we have to do curved surface area of the two hemispheres plus curved surface area of the cylinder. First, for cylinder, radius is equals to 5/2 millimeter and height is equals to 9 millimeters. So curved surface area that is 2 pi RH, that is 2 into 22/7 into 5/2 into 9. So let us multiply this. So which is 44 into 45/7. So we can multiply this 44 into 45, 20, 22, 16, 17, 0, 8, 9, 1. So 1980/7. So this is about the cylinder. Next, we have to do for the hemisphere. So for hemisphere, radius is equals to 5/2 millimeters. So curved surface area is equals to 2 pi r square, which is 2 into 22/7 into 5/2 into 5/2. So 2 gets cancelled, 2 ones, 2 11s, so 25, 275/7. Now area of resulting figure is equals to, so here curved surface area of two hemispheres, surface area is equals to 2 into 275/7. Why? Because we are multiplying with 2, because since we have two hemispheres, so it will be 10, 15, 5. So 550/7. So area of the resulting figure is equals to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of two hemispheres. So that is curved surface area of cylinder, we got it as 1980/7 plus 550/7. So the overall answer will be 0, 13, 15, 2, 2530/7 millimeter square.